DJI and Ryze joined forces to launch the $100 Tello drone. This post was originally published on jit.com. A company called Ryze has teamed up with DJI and announced an affordable drone called Tello. It can stay in the air for up to 13 minutes, has a 720p camera on board, and features collision detection that will make sure the flying device won't crash into a wall or a tree. The Tello, which is powered by an Intel's processor, is compact and easy to use. Just throw it up in the air and let the fun begin. It also has a feature called Failsafe Protection, allowing the drone to land safely even if you lose connection. The biggest highlight of the Tello is its price. You'll be able to get it for just $100. This makes it way more affordable than the Spark, the cheapest drone DJI has on offer, which retails for $500. However, the difference between the two is obviously big. Although the Tello offers a lot for its money, it's still a toy when compared to the Spark. It's aimed at the younger generation who want to have fun with friends by flying it around, taking a few selfies and aerial photos, videos in the process. The Tello will go on sale in the US and a few other markets after March 2018. You'll be able to get it from DJI's online store, where you can already sign up to get notified when it gets released. Your source